Hi again, everyone. I would like to very quickly summarize and conclude this tutorial. So we discussed 5 very different case studies. Together as a whole, I hope they are illustrating the immense diversity of tasks and goals that you can achieve with crowdsourcing for benchmark data collection. Although each of these case studies is designed to achieve its very own specific goals, I hope that as a whole, together they form a reference guide for how to build and manage relatively complex crowdsourcing processes and tasks for the collection of high quality natural language data across an immense diversity of scenarios. Our slides are available on our website, and during EMNLP, we are looking forward to meeting you at our clinic, either in person at the conference or virtually via Zoom. I would like to conclude by thanking the wonderful team, a very large team, and that comes together from different institutions to put this tutorial and bring a very different perspective on this fundamental tool of NLP that is crowdsourcing, including Alane from Cornell, Nikita, Clara, and Sam from New York University, Mark from University of Pennsylvania, and Maarten that is starting next year at Carnegie Mellon University. So thank you for joining us. We are looking forward to discussing crowdsourcing and any other NLP topic with you at the conference, and to just discuss crowdsourcing with you in the future. Thank you.